What's going on, Beach Nation? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lucas with BeachRC.com, here today for a product reveal, a new product. It is your Assault RC 1/10 scale tire gluing jig. Let's put this aside. I got one out of the package right here. Boom. It's been a long time coming for this thing. We actually developed it 2-3 years ago, about the same time as we made our first tire gluing jig, which would be your 1/8 scale Buggy tire gluing jig. Just a couple months after that, we came out with the Assault RC Truggy 1/8 scale tire gluing jig. It's really good design. It's been very popular. In my humble opinion, it's the best tire gluing jig on the market. There's a lot of tire gluing jigs out there, so hard to say which one's the best. I think ours is. Anyways, 10th scale tire gluing jig. We were testing it, tuning on it, making sure it was good to reach the market, because with 10th scale, there's different size tires. 8 scale, you got a Buggy tire, you got a Truggy tire. 10th scale, you got front, you got rears, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, carpet, all kinds of variances with the 10th scale as opposed to 8 scale. We got it done. It's pretty. I like it. It comes in a lot of pieces. Let's just get into this thing. This is your top. It has no real purpose except for keeping all your multiple pieces as you travel all in one place. It ain't going nowhere. Until you take off this top, everything's gonna be held in place. It'll be just the way you left it. Spins off pretty easy. Boom, there you go. You can throw that to the side, or I challenge you to come up with a good use for this. What can we make this more useful for besides just holding all your stuff in place? I don't know, it's up to you guys. Figure it out. Let me know if you come up with a good idea. Let's just take this thing apart real quick. Just like the 8 scale, you got your top. It goes into 4 little grooves. Twist, out, and twist, it's in. All right, so let's just break this thing apart a little bit. Right on top, you're gonna have 2 discs. It's a 1mm disc and a 2mm disc. It's gonna be for your front tires if you need them, since there are different types of front tires, not only 2-wheel and 4-wheel, you even have carpet, which is gonna be a slimmer tire. So these discs may come in handy. I don't think I'll be using them today to show you how to glue this thing. If you find that you need a little more squish, use a couple of these. Like I said, 1 and 2, together it makes 3. Lots of options there. Next, this is for your front 2-wheel and 4-wheel buggy. This you will use without a doubt. Whether you use these 2 discs on top of that, it's gonna depend on you. You'll find out as soon as you get your hands on it. All right, after that, you got your, basically a spinning tray. You got a screw sticking out, the spinning tray. It's on a bearing. So what you use with none of these is gonna be this strictly for your rear tire mounting. You will not need any disc in there to mount a rear tire. Pretty simple. If you're familiar with our 8 scale, it kind of works the same way with the 10 scale. If you're not familiar with our tire gluing jigs, I'm going to show you how it works. Let's get into it. It is a rear tire, 10 scale. This is a front tire, 10 scale. And that's pretty much what we're going to use today. So let's just go ahead and get started with the 10 scale tire. Put that wheel on that screw. Easy peasy. Can't beat it. You're going to line up these 4 grooves that's got arrows on it. You put those arrows where the grooves are, top arrows, bottom grooves. Just put them on there. I did not twist it yet because you can do micro adjustments, just kind of making sure it's as center as possible. The point of this gluing jig is to pull your bead back evenly all the way around your tire. It's an even pull, and when it comes back, it should all be even, giving you a nice, clean, flush glue job. I'm ready to twist this thing. I'm gonna give it 1 twist, and then I'm gonna leave it and throw some glue on it. So easy, twist, boop. And once I see it pulled far enough back from the rim, I just stop there. Sometimes it's gonna be a full twist. Sometimes it might be like 80–90% of a twist, or less, depends on you. It's ready for glue. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this really thin glue. I'm gonna try not to make a mess. Oh man, on camera trying to glue something for the first time, and don't make a mess. Good luck with that, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of glue just around the bead line. Since this is thin, penetrates real easy, real quick. And it's just like the 8 scale. You just kind of go around the bead. Just go around, let that glue soak into the bead line. And I'm about to release this twist. I think I have enough glue in there. I'm just gonna twist it. Boom. See, I made a little bit of mess on my gluing jig though. I knew I was gonna. All right, anyways, I released the twist, back this thing out. I use a paper towel to clean up whatever mess I got. I always get glue on my skin every single time. All right, so when I'm done gluing my tire, I like to give it one little slap on some paper towel just to clean up any of that excess. Boom, like that. Your tire bead just goes right back in place. Afterwards, just kind of give it a little bit of adjustment, making sure that that foam is still center. I'm gonna put one of these tire bands on there, because that's gonna compress my rubber to the rim. As this glue dries, the thin glue dries really fast, like super fast. It dried my skin immediately. But there you go. You do that with your 2 rear tires. By the time you're done with the second one, you can basically flip it around, take off the band, and do the other side. I'll do the back side as well, since this dries so quickly. So I'm gonna watch my bead. There it is, bead's pulled back pretty good. All right, let's see if I can't make such a mess this time. It's really hard, this thin glue. Thin glue works so good when you're doing this. Just try not to have it drip down. You're probably better off holding it flat. I was just trying to get this all on camera. I got it, I got the glue in there. That's it. Pull it off. The bead pops back in place. Right where it initially started, nice and clean. Just go ahead and put your rubber band on. This is so clean, I don't even have to tap it in on a towel this time. Good job, me. And there it is. The band starts compressing the rubber to rim, and you can see a little excess pop up now. So now I'm gonna give it a little pop on this towel. Boop, done. Easy. It doesn't get any easier than that. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the front wheel. Pretty easy. It says front and up. Make sure you can read that, and you got it in properly. Here's a front tire. It's actually a 2-wheel or a 4-wheel tire. Believe it or not. Interesting, right? 10th scale. We got a lot of different sizes. So you got it in there, pretty simple, man. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. We'll just make sure I got my tire nice, and the more you center it up right here, the more even your bead's gonna be as you pull it back, as you twist. Ready? Here we go, kind of watching. Oh, that is a really good pull right there. Look pretty even. Just gonna throw some glue up in there. I'm gonna hold it flat this time because holding it at an angle did not work out well for me. It made me look like an amateur. I assure you, I'm a professional. I get paid to RC. You may not believe it, but I do. That's it, untwist. It's so clean. I don't think I'm gonna need to use a towel, but let me put a compression band on it. See if any excess comes out. Yeah, there's really nothing for me to tap off there. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I have not actually glued any tires in this thing. You're seeing me glue tires for the 100% first time. Point being though, my third glue is so clean, I don't need to take any excess off or anything. It's pretty beautiful. I could do the other side, but you kind of get it, right? Just put your plates back up in there, put your lid on, line up your arrows, shut it. And this is just gonna screw on. It's already pre-threaded. You do kind of want to keep your hands on this, try not to lose it, so your stuff does stay all together when you travel or just wherever. You don't want to lose some of these discs on the inside. It's not going to work out very well for you. But you can buy this right now on BeachRC.com. They just released. Why don't you go ahead and swipe one up today? And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Like our videos if you like them. So we'll see you next time right here at BeachRC.com.